Hello, this is Risa from Risa. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how I make this pretty flower with perfect crease. If this is your first time to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. It motivates me to keep making videos. Let's get started. I use half an inch white ribbon. Measure your ribbon by 32 inches and cut. Fold your ribbon in half for 4 times. Until the size is about 2 inches. Cut all the ribbons and we will have 16 pieces of ribbons with the size 2 inches. Seal all the ribbons so they will not fray. Divide the ribbons. And we are going to make the first flower with 8 pieces of ribbons. Take the first ribbon, fold it like this, and stitch. Here, the key to have a perfect crease is to pinch the ribbon before we slide this off from the needle. Take the second ribbon, stitch, and pinch. Do this to the remaining ribbons. Now gather all the ribbons, and here you can see the perfect crease because we pinched them in the first place. Join the ribbons by forming a circle. We stitch it to the first ribbon. Secure the thread. Trim it and make 2 pieces of this, and I'll be back after I make the second piece. Now attach these 2 pieces together. Adjust a little. Here, what I like to do is we attach them together by stitching right at the crease here. You can see the thread here. Use matching thread so it will be less visible. Let me do the second petal. And you can see the thread here. We do this until all the flower petals will stitch together. You can see the thread here, so use matching thread to make it less visible. Now we can embellish our flower with beads and rhinestones. Secure the thread and trim it. Our pretty flower is done. Thanks for watching. If you like this tutorial, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.